Beauty does not simply vanish as the years pass, it evolves into a profound sense of grace, resilience, and wisdom that shines from deep within your heart. Welcome to a journey dedicated to cherishing your skin during its most golden years, where every line tells a story of a life lived with great passion. Start your morning by gently waking up your body and mind. These light movements help circulate energy and prepare your skin for the day's nourishing ritual ahead. Feel the warmth of the sun as you embrace this new day. Physical movement is the first step in maintaining a healthy, vibrant glow for your mature skin. Consistency in small movements creates a foundation for longevity. As we move our bodies, we encourage the vital flow of nutrients to every single cell of our skin. Nature reflects the cycles of life, showing us that every stage has its own unique beauty and charm if we only take the time to look closely enough. Connection and joy are the secret ingredients to a radiant appearance. Sharing these moments with loved ones brings a light to the eyes that no cream can match. Look in the mirror and acknowledge the person you have become. Your skin has protected you for decades, and now it is your turn to give back. Honoring your journey means accepting the changes while providing the specific care that your skin now craves to stay supple, strong, and beautifully resilient against time. Hydration begins from within the body. A warm glass of water in the morning flushes out toxins and sets the stage for a clear and bright complexion. Let us begin the process of understanding what your skin truly needs today. It is a time for patience, soft touches, and high-quality, effective ingredients for aging. Understanding mature skin is the first step toward effective care. As we age, our skin's needs shift, requiring more focus on moisture retention and barrier repair. The ability to hold onto moisture is the golden key to keeping skin looking plump and healthy. We must prioritize ingredients that lock in every drop of water. While collagen levels naturally decrease over time, we can support the remaining structure by using specialized treatments that encourage renewal and provide essential, deep-seated nourishment. Think of your skin like these delicate petals. It requires a soft touch and a consistent environment to remain beautiful and protected from the harsh outside world. Every fine line is a mark of a smile or a moment of deep thought. We don't aim to erase them, but to make them glow brilliantly. Pure hydration is the foundation of all beauty. When the skin is well hydrated, it reflects light better, making you look instantly more refreshed and very vibrant. Internal stress can often show on our faces. Taking these quiet moments for yourself is just as important as any cream or serum you might apply. Antioxidants from fresh fruits help fight the damage caused by the environment. What you put inside your body is clearly visible on the surface of your skin. Be gentle with your movements. Upward strokes help counteract the effects of gravity and encourage lymphatic drainage for a more defined and much less puffy appearance. Listen to what your skin is telling you. Sometimes it needs more oil, sometimes more water, but it always needs your kindness and your focused attention. Now, let us move to the sink and begin the practical steps of a morning routine designed to protect and brighten your skin for the day ahead. Start your morning routine with a splash of lukewarm water. Avoid hot water, as it can strip away the precious natural oils that mature skin desperately needs. Choose a gentle, non-foaming cream cleanser. This removes impurities while keeping the skin's moisture barrier intact and perfectly balanced for the rest of your morning products. Use this time to give yourself a mini massage. Gentle pressure helps boost circulation, bringing a healthy, natural flush of color to your beautiful and maturing face. Always pat your skin dry with a soft towel. Friction can cause irritation and damage the delicate surface, so treat your face with the utmost care and respect. Next, apply a powerful antioxidant like vitamin C. This hero ingredient helps to brighten the skin and protect it from environmental damage throughout the long day. Press the serum gently into your skin. This method ensures better absorption and avoids any unnecessary pulling of the skin, which is more fragile as we age. Watch as your skin drinks up the nutrients. A good serum works at a deeper level to address specific concerns like dark spots and uneven skin tone. Follow up with a hydrating moisturizer to seal in the serum. This layer acts as a protective blanket, keeping your skin comfortable and hydrated all day long. Never forget your neck and chest area. These often neglected spots are the first to show signs of aging and deserve just as much love as your face. The most important step of all is sun protection. UV rays are the primary cause of skin aging, so a high-quality sunscreen is your best anti-aging tool. Apply it generously and evenly. Even on cloudy days, UV rays can penetrate the skin, so make this a non-negotiable part of your daily morning routine. Our hands often reveal our age first. Protect them by applying a little extra sunscreen to the backs of your hands every single time you apply it. Now your skin is ready to face the world. It looks refreshed, protected, and radiant, reflecting the care and attention you have just invested in yourself. Confidence is the best accessory. When your skin feels good, you carry yourself with a grace that is truly inspiring to everyone you meet today. As the day progresses, remember that beauty is a constant practice. Soon, we will transition to the evening, a time for repair and deep restoration. As the sun sets and the world quiets down, it is time to shift our focus to recovery. The evening is when your skin does its hardest work. Start with double cleansing. An oil-based cleanser effectively dissolves the day's sunscreen, pollutants, and any makeup without stripping the skin of its essential, healthy moisture. Emulsifying the oil with a bit of water ensures a clean rinse. This step is crucial for mature skin to ensure no residue is left behind. The second cleanse ensures a perfectly clean canvas. Using a hydrating, water-based wash leaves your skin feeling soft, refreshed, and ready to absorb the evening's treatments. Purity is the first step of the night. By removing the day's burdens, you allow your skin to breathe and prepare for the deep regeneration process. Retinol is a gold standard for aging skin. It speeds up cell turnover and helps to smooth the appearance of fine lines and deeper wrinkles over time. Apply just a pea-sized amount. For mature skin, less is often more with active ingredients to avoid irritation while still achieving the desired rejuvenating results. Be patient with your skin when using actives. Results take time, but consistency will lead to a noticeably smoother and more refined texture in the coming weeks. The area around the eyes is exceptionally delicate. Use a peptide-rich eye cream to help firm the skin and reduce the appearance of puffiness or dark circles. The ring finger provides the lightest touch. Gentle tapping encourages absorption without causing any unnecessary stress to this very sensitive and thin area of your face. Now, it is time to lock everything in with a rich, nourishing night cream. Choose a formula with ceramides and fatty acids to rebuild your skin's barrier. Warming the product in your hands helps it melt into the skin more easily. This final layer provides the hydration needed for the skin's nightly repair cycle. End your routine with a moment of relaxation. This massage helps to ease the tension of the day and promotes a deeper, more restful sleep for you. Your skin is now cocooned in moisture and active ingredients. It is ready to begin the miraculous process of healing and renewing itself while you rest. Appreciate every version of yourself. The woman in that photo and the woman you are today are both beautiful in their own unique and special ways. Small details matter. A silk pillowcase reduces friction on your face and hair, preventing sleep creases and helping your skin retain its precious moisture overnight. Rest is the ultimate beauty secret. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep to allow your body and skin to fully recover and recharge. Let the quiet of the night wash over you. Tomorrow is another opportunity to care for yourself and shine with the wisdom only age can bring. As we wake up refreshed, we recognize that skincare is only one part of the equation. A healthy lifestyle completes the picture of true, lasting beauty. True beauty is holistic. It is a reflection of how we live, how we move, and how we choose to nourish our bodies from the inside out. Just like these flowers, we need the right environment and consistent care to flourish. Living a lifestyle that supports your health is the best anti-aging strategy. Gentle exercise, like yoga or walking, keeps your body flexible and your mind sharp. It also boosts circulation, ensuring your skin receives all the oxygen it needs. Stay connected to your community. Engaging with others and staying active socially keeps your spirit young and your face filled with the light of genuine joy. Eat a rainbow of foods. Each color represents different vitamins and minerals that work together to protect your skin from the inside and support its natural repair. Focus on nutrient-dense ingredients. Green juices and fresh vegetables provide the building blocks for healthy cells and a complexion that glows with health and vitality. Practice mindfulness and deep breathing. Reducing stress lowers cortisol levels, which can otherwise lead to skin inflammation and the acceleration of the aging process. Cultivate a sense of wonder. Staying curious and engaged with the world around you keeps your mind active and your energy levels high and very positive. Laughter is the best medicine for the soul. It releases endorphins that make you feel good and gives your face a natural, beautiful lift that no surgery can. When you live a balanced life, your skin becomes a testament to your overall well-being. It is a reflection of a life lived with great intention. Now, as we reach the end of our journey, let us reflect on the message of love and self-care we have explored together today. You are part of a generation of women who define beauty on their own terms. Together, we celebrate the power of aging with grace and confidence. Here is to you, and to the beautiful journey you are on. May you always find the time to care for yourself and your precious, wonderful skin. Remember that age is just a number. It is the light in your eyes and the kindness in your heart that truly make you look radiant. Carry this sense of self-love with you every day. Your skincare routine is more than just products. It is a daily act of profound self-respect. Thank you for joining us on this path to timeless beauty. May your days be filled with light, laughter, and a complexion that glows from within. Take these lessons and make them your own. Your journey is unique, and your beauty is a gift to the world that never ceases to inspire. The best time to start caring for yourself is always right now. Embrace the changes, celebrate your wisdom, and let your inner beauty shine through always. Wishing all the ladies a life of radiance and joy. Stay beautiful, stay confident, and keep shining in your own unique and very special way.